Hey again. Back to my hotel now. Walking, and this is a small island. Fresh air, beautiful sky, sun, birds singing. Feeling very grateful to have time for myself, connect to this beautiful nature. So see the sun, so amazing behind me, and many different birds and many cats all around here. Woo. Look here, wow. Very grateful for this beauty. The nature. Nature is our medicine. Mother Nature, full of energy, inspiration. So spending time often in the nature is very healing. And very releasing. Very good for our nerve system, immune system. Listen to the birds singing. Strengthening our immunity system, balance our nerve system, and also it's very relaxing, very calming, and of course clean air. I will miss this nature, but I will be back. Very peaceful. I was in the beach, only me, nobody. Me and nature, listening to the wave of the ocean. I felt I become the ocean. This beauty, love from nature. Look here. Beautiful, isn't it? So, small reminding, don't stay home. So I have to go, I have to find my way back to my hotel. See you soon. Bye.